Hi everyone. Today I'm going to build AI executive dashboard, and this dashboard will be based on this data set. This sales take the help from AI to help me to design the dashboard and write the DAX queries, and this dashboard will be developed in next 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, so I have written certain prompts or prompts here. You could see this: act as a CEO of a retail company. From a sales dataset with sales, profit, discount, reason, and customer rate, suggest top 5 KPIs for executive dashboard and explain how each KPI matters. Okay, so I'm going to use this prompt, and I'll put this here over the chat GPT, and let's see what kind of a response I'm getting. So here you could see this: absolutely, as the CEO of the retail company, I would focus on KPIs that gives the clear insights into profitability, right? When you are developing the dashboard for executive dashboard or a CEO dashboard, so you should provide them clear insights and clear visibility to so they can take the decisions. Okay, and we have got total sales revenue. Why does it matter? So measures the overall income generated from the products and services. Okay, net profit amount, then average discount rate, why it matters. So you could read them, and we have got clarity from the ChatGPT. Now I want to say is that executives don't want dashboards, they want decisions. That's why today I'm taking the help from AI to build CEO dashboard, or you can say AI executive dashboard. Okay, now here, and this so we have got clarity from this prompt. Now another prompt I have written, because I don't know the what would be the layout of the dashboard, and how it would look like, right? But I have written the prompt: write a file and executive summary based on total sales, total profit, average discount, top performing regions, and profit margin. Use professional business language. Okay, so I'm going to use this prompt, and I'll put over the chat GPT, and let's see what kind of response we get, and how we can develop the CEO dashboard. Okay, so here you could see this: we have got the clarifications. Okay, in the reporting period, total sales reached X amount and all that. Since we have not provided the since we have not exposed our data set to ChatGPT, but if you want, you can put the headers, and if you want to expose if it is confidential data, then you should not be exposing the data. If it is not, then you can expose the data. So here I'm going to say that can you please so I'm going to write another DAX queries here. I'm going to write another prompt here, that help me writing the DAX queries for total sales, total profit, average discount. Okay, and another one, what we can say, average discount, then we can say profit margin. Okay, and profit margin. Okay, so see this, we will get the no response. Now we have got the response: total sales and tourists. I'll create the separate table, enter data, and then we'll put this as DAX table. Okay, now here we are going to write the measures. Okay, so total sales amount, total sales. So it's very simple, like you can say sum method, and we have here table. So this is the sales, right? Done. So this is what the ChatGPT also says. See this: sum method, sales data, this is table name, and this is profit, or here this is the column name, and this is also column name. So we can use this. Okay, copy, and to write the total profit, total sales amount, then total profit, and here we have to change only the column. It would be profit. That's all. Now average discount amount. Okay, so again we have to write the next this one. So we can say average discount, right? So here we have to select the method average. Now we have to take average discount, this one. Done. Now we are saying to write the profit margin, right? So profit margin DAX query is this. We can copy this. Okay, and let's put this here. profit margin. Done. Okay, now we can delete this one, not required. Now we have to write one more. We have to write the date table. So what I'm going to do, model, now table. So this will be date table. So what we are method, calendar method, then we will select mean. Okay, mean, and then we have order date. We can use order date, this. Then we can say close parenthesis comma max, and again we have order date, this, close parenthesis. Done. So when now let's do the modeling. So modeling, there would be modeling like order date to date, this one, this is connected, save. So we are done with this. Now I have designed the theme, so I'm going to import the theme and we will be using that one. So this is the theme. I'll put the link of dataset and theme and prompt and a DAX query so that you can use them at the time of building the dashboard. Now let's click remove the filter, come to insert and shape, this one. So here we are going to say, okay, format. So let's put the title, this, make it off, and let's come here, text. So we can say executive sales dashboard. Okay, executive sales dashboard. Now let's do the formatting a little bit. So let's make it 20, and this should be this, bold. Done. Middle. Done. Now we can go for rounded corners. Okay, and then we can go for glue is not required. Shadow, we can enable a shadow as well. So color, we can say, let's take this one, no problem. Okay, now let me make it likewise. Done. Now we have to add the KPI cards. Okay, so here we have written and it has been total profit and all that. Okay, we can write here. So if we don't know the layout, we can ask that what would be layout for executive dashboard, executive sales dashboard. Okay, sales dashboard. Now see this, we are getting layouts like to put top KPIs, total sales amount, total profit, profit margin, average discount. Okay, then trend analysis for middle low, that we can put line chart. Okay, it has been suggested by line chart, we can use the line chart or line or area chart, that one also we can use it. Then it has been suggested that use customer segments are also there, that we can show the profit margin reported category, high discount alerts and all that. Okay, note. So only 3 visuals has been suggested. You could see this line chart and then profit reason, this visual. Okay, it has been suggested, and this visual it has been suggested, because this is an executive dashboard, and executive dashboard, if you want to develop, then you should be showing only 3 to 4 visuals, not more than that. Okay, not more than that. So first I'm going to use the card, and here this would be here, and here we have written the DAX query. So I'm going to say total sales amount, total profit amount, average discount, and profit margin. Okay, we are showing 4 of them. Now let's make it off, and let's go to call out values. We have values, let's make it 15. Okay, and this is done. Bold, color is okay. Let's make it middle. Similarly for levels. Okay, so we have to say white. Let's change the font, 12 is okay, right? So let's do in this manner. Done. This is done. Now as we have got the suggestion from here, ChatGPT, that use the line chart, so we are going to use the line chart or line area chart, we can use it. So I'm going to use the line chart. So I'll use date, month only, month, and then total sales amount. Okay, so this is the data. Now we can see, let's do the formatting as well. Total sales amount by month, done. Okay, we have to select this one, 15, bold and white, so that it would reflect. Now let's make it middle. Now similar for x-axis, let's work upon this. So this would be this, 12, bold, color is white. Okay, title, this or standard one, bold, and it should be white. Okay, now layout, it is okay. For the y-axis also we have to work upon y-axis, so let's make it 12. This would be our standard one, bold and white is okay. Title, so our standard font would be this, 12, bold and white. Now this is done, right? Now coming to guidelines, remove the guidelines as it is not required. Okay, now lines, for the lines we can show the other, I mean, like, since we are showing the month, so it is okay. Now we can go for smooth, like here smooth. Okay, color is okay, this by default this color is reflecting, no problem. Then we have data labels, so we can enable the data labels to understand the bifurcation. So we can say values, let's select our this, make it 12. We can say bold, and we can select other colors as well, but let's make it white, right? Now this is done. Series labels are not required, so this is a line chart. Okay, now we can do more formatting here, so we can say visual border, we can enable the visual border. Color, we can select this color, make it rounded corner. Okay, and we have the shadow, let's enable the shadow and make it inside. Okay, now let's show this data here. Okay, now we are going to select line bar chart here, and here we will be adding the data as and total sales. So we are going to select a region and the total sales. Okay, now let's do the formatting here. So copy this and put this here. Okay, this is done. Now we have to work upon little bit. Okay, we have to do the formatting little bit, so we are going to do the formatting. Okay, so this one, title is okay, title is okay. So now we have to work upon values. So let's make it 12 and it should be white. Okay, now title should be 12. This is done. We have x-axis values, let's make it 12, should be white, done. And title, it is okay, make it 12, done, right? Now select this one. We can change the color as well. Okay, if we want, then we have zoom slicer. If we want to add, we can add the zoom slicers, but if you want to change the bar colors, we can change the bar colors as well, to show the a region wise color. So we can say west is okay, north, if I change the north, let's select this one, then we can say east, we can go for this color. Then we have south, we can go for this color. Okay, so it is reflecting. Now data labels, it is on. Okay, values, it is okay. We can use the slicers. Now we can show one more data. We can use the pie chart here, and we can show the data as payment mode, total profit. Okay, let's do the formatting. Yes, put this here, and let's work upon this. Okay, so legends, title, payment mode is okay, text color, it should be white, this is displaying now. So let's disable. Let me make it a little bit shorter. Okay, done, right? So these values are reflecting. Now we can say let's add the slicers. Okay, so this time to add slicer, so I'm going to add the slicer here. So slicer part, what it would be like, we are showing the data, product category. Okay, let's me do the formatting. Okay, make it disable. Slicer setting, so it should be drop down, select all. Slicer header is on. Let's change the title, bold, white. We have values, so should be this standard one, this one. Okay, or we can say this color, reflecting, right? Now okay, this table I want to add here, and I want to show the data, certain data. So this would be product name, then total sales and total profit. Okay, total sales and total profit, this much. Now let's do the formatting. Yes, done. Now let's make it, title is title, so let's make it top products, top products. Okay, so this is also done, this is done, this is also done. So we are saying this much. Okay, now product category is added. Let's add another slicer. So I want to add another slicer as product name. We can add product name. We can add one more slicer, so that would be payment mode. Okay, now one more slicer we can add, which would be the reason, since we have used reason. This one, that's all. Now this dashboard is ready. This dashboard is ready. Now top products we are showing, so we can say filter here, and top products by total sales, products here, so we can say basic filtering, top, and this should be 10. Okay, done. So here it is, product name, top 10 products it is showing, right? So our dashboard is ready. Now let's see. So if I select this, see this, it is working perfectly fine. So it is working perfectly fine. So this is how you can take the help from ChatGPT, and you can develop the executive dashboards, and it gives the clear picture. It does not have any kind of discrepancies in understanding, and we have used certain slices as well to segregate the data as well. See this, it is working perfectly fine. Okay, so that's all about it, and I'll put the link of dataset and theme and prompts and DAX queries, so that you can use them at the time of building the dashboard. That's all about it. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching.